Thursday, September 8th. I'm buying some Google 110 calls at 194. These are calls into next week. I'm buying it here on the lower open, and you can see, the kind of the hammer bar forming. It kind of came down, and then as I started heading up, I bought it here at the blue line. The options are already up to 220. I just bought them near the low of the open at 194. Again, it's just my general anticipation on the big up move that should be broadening out above these highs. Given my overall view on the market in general, that is likely to be heading up. It's a two up week potentially. One of the stocks that had a two down failure to the upside crossed the 50% rule, so possibly by today and tomorrow we can be heading up to take out that high here of 111.96, and then we can be working up into this gap into next week to the 115 area if things stay strong. But anyway, I used the down opening here and the opening 15-minute price action here, the bottom of the right here's the bottom of the overnight, the pre-market range to buy. And we'll just see for now, one step at a time. Let's kind of work our way up here to the top of the pre-market range, which is kind of the close of yesterday, the yellow line. That's kind of target number one on this day. We'll see how the structure forms. We'll see if we can, after the big green day yesterday, even though the overnight action kind of got up there, we still, if we eliminate that, we should still break those highs here. And kind of, again, the anticipation is to target up above here, 111.68, to broaden out, on this whole move here, starting up. We should broaden out above this area. So it looks like one of the good stocks to kind of have the broadening lower and then the broadening higher in some form. So let's see what happens. Let's watch the structure on the day, and how it kind of, this 15-minute chart, we'd like to see follow through on bar somewhere, even if it pauses in here at some point, following through above the wherever this 15-minute bar closes and heading higher. But again, playing the overall just market that I anticipate broadening higher here into this week and maybe into next week.